Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Begin at the Morningstar dock and accept the quest from Captain Rel to avenge the lost convoy. Read the captain's log to learn the convoy route and note a key waypoint 40 minutes east by map travel time, marked with a white anchor. Collect the Morningstar manifest from the ship's cargo hold. It lists 3 missing crates and a manifest code 3721 that you will need for interrogation. Make sure your party has healing supplies and 1 ranged attacker before you depart the harbor. Travel east along the marked path for about 4 map tiles until you find the ambush site with broken wheel tracks and spilled crates. Approach using stealth to avoid alerting 2 patrolling raiders. If you can get within 8 meters without detection, initiate a flank attack to gain the surprise advantage. After defeating nearby foes, interrogate the lone survivor and use manifest code 3721 to pressure them. This unlocks the raiders' hideout coordinates and a time window of 3 in-game days. Plan the raid during the 3-day time window and approach the raiders' hideout from the high ground to gain line of sight. Disable the alarm panel within 30 seconds of breach to prevent reinforcements or split the group. 2 on doors while 1 disables the alarm. Recover all 3 missing crates. 1 contains the captain's locket valued at 50 and a map fragment pointing to the raider leader. Return to Captain Rel with the manifest, locket, and proof to complete the quest and receive 500 XP and rewards.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.